Tapered roller bearings to replace both upper and lower bearings and races. Restores smooth steering response. Bearings and races are matched sets. Lifetime replacement. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Pivot Works steering stem bearing kits restore steering action by replacing worn-out tapered roller bearings and seals on the motorcycle's steering stem. Manufactured as a matched set to ensure precision fitment and steering response, Pivot Works steering stem bearings and seals surpass OE quality and are the only product available with a lifetime replacement. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I bought this kit for the steering bushing but also wanted the bearing if I ever decided to change it. 1 year on the bushing so far and it's holding up great. I used the included lube as well and everything is great. I can't speak for the bearing although it looks like a good standard quality bearing with decent seals to keep water out. Fits my 1999 Honda 4Trax 304x4.